How to create custom photo frames in Canva. In this video, we're going to be talking about Canva and how you're going to be able to create custom photo frames in the easiest and most simplest way. So to do this, what you're going to do is first of all, you're going to go over to Elements and here you're going to search up frames. All right. Now, once you search up frames, as you can see, you have tons and tons of frames over here. But if you want to create your own custom frame, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Frame Maker and we're going to click on Open. Now, once you click on open, this is basically a frame making app that allows you to create custom frames for yourself in whatever method you want. So let's say I want to create a frame of this side to this side, and we're going to create something funky like this. Okay, this is the frame that I want. I'm going to click on add to design, and that's your custom frame. Now, what you can do is you can easily add in your very own custom images into it. So let's say I'm going to go to uploads. And once you go to uploads, let's say I'm going to add this over here. And, just like that, you have created your own custom frame. So that is pretty much how you can create any custom photo frames in Canva. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Drop down a like, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.